So I'm having some upper shoulder pain due to the mattress. It's been probably 5 to 10 years since I've had this mattress. I've been working out every day, so I'm having some heavy lifting, some weight problems, I think, in my lower back too and shoulders. And then the mattress is contributing to the pain. So yeah, I'm just trying to alleviate it. It's mostly up here. When I'm bending down, my lower back is starting to hurt a little bit, but the biggest problems are up in my shoulder.
Okay, so check your shoulder, your neck, your lower back.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, we'll go face down. All right, so I'm checking your leg length here, Abby, and you're short on this left side. So you're about 3/4 of an inch shorter. And then your hip is up higher here too. So elevated here, lower on this side, and you got a big shift here. And then we'll go arms down in front. There we go. And then moving your hair. So this area here is where it's bothering you?
Yep, right there.
Are you feeling it in your neck too here?
A little bit. Turning my neck is sore.
Okay. And you're tight on this right side here too.
I think I've been putting some pressure on my right side because my left side's been hurting.
Okay. And then right there as well, really tight. Okay, so I'm going to use a massager. We'll loosen you, and then I'll get you adjusted. Let me know if it bothers you. No problem?
Nope. It's good.
All right. Okay, so right in here, big breath in and out. Shoulders down. Very good. Okay, right in there, big breath, and out, shoulders down. Very good. And again, big breath, and out.
Oh my God.
And one more, big breath, and out. Good. Wow, that was a lot of movement.
Yeah.
And then shoulders down here. Okay. All right. And then I'll have you on your side facing me this way.
This is where I know I'm going to get a lot of noise.
So we're bending, straightening, and then this one goes back here. And then we're pressure right here.
Is this for chiropractic or massage?
Oh my God. Very good.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, good. And then this one goes back. Very good. And we'll go face up. That was crazy.
I know. It's always so loud, but I knew this time it's like very much needed.
That was great.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll see you then. Okay, bye.
Okay. chin up. Oh, awesome. And a pull. All right, let's bring you up. Okay, and then let's swing your legs this way. And then we'll just see how you're feeling here. Okay.
That's great.
It was yeah, feeling better?
I feel so much better. Yeah, I'm gonna be sore, but I think that it's gonna help, especially with working out and making sure that my bones are actually moving and working rather than just being stiff. I feel so much lighter.
Good.